Hey folks, I hope everybody's doing well. I thought I'd toss out a quick little video, nothing special. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, check this out. Zombie rabbits. Something new all the time. Man, look at that. Growing horns out of his mouth.
The show papillomavirus, SPV, is a rabbit-specific virus that causes horn-like growths or tentacle-like protrusions, giving infected rabbits a zombie appearance. It cannot infect dogs, cats, or humans, as it is species-specific to rabbits.
Yeah, this is sad right here with the chronic wasting disease. A bunch of hunters in my area. I didn't hear of too much of this going on in my area, but I did hear about it. Now this right here though, the blue tongue, that was going around quite a bit. A lot of hunters were having to check their deer and were told not to eat it. But I don't know, it said somewhere in the studies that it wasn't transmittable to humans, but I believe that's what it said, but I'm not going to take my chances with it. It just seems like there's diseases all the time in nature here lately. Yeah, this is crazy. The zombie fungus. Did you know the fungus in The Last of Us, that was actually based on a true thing? Somewhat true, anyway. It takes over the insect's brain and pretty much turns it into a zombie. Tell me nature ain't awesome. Scary, but awesome. Here's the tick bite. I know a few people that's got that right there to where they can't eat red meat. I mean, what's going on in nature towards something?
Well, one day you're able to enjoy steak, hamburgers, perhaps a sausage on the grill, and the next day these foods could cause a severe allergic reaction.
Yeah, it's called alpha-gal syndrome, and until now it was linked to bites from a tick found in the southeast. But new research is linking the reaction to patients and ticks found in New England.
And I was fully covered in these hives head to toe.
We first introduced you to Rob Attaway a few years ago. The Georgia man says he broke out into hives and suffered unbearable itching for years before finally getting answers from an allergist.
Found the problem, stop eating red meat now. And I stopped eating red meat, and within 3 days of that, everything started to clear up.
Rob tested positive for alpha-gal syndrome, a delayed allergic reaction to red meat. It's caused by a bite from the Lone Star tick, typically found in the South. But new research is tying the red meat allergy to two more types of ticks found closer to home.
But yeah, it's just a quick little video. Bunch of strangeness in the world. nature keeps evolving. Our scientists keep experimenting with it too. I don't know. It don't seem like you used to hear about this much stuff going on back in the day, but now there's all sorts of crazy, I don't know, transformations and everything else happening. Hope everybody has a good day. Take it easy.